Well, here we are in almost blizzard conditions. I'm looking out the front door of my little house. You can see the wind blowing. Here's the picnic table. I shoveled that off yesterday morning, so you can see how much, the bottom part, the small part, we've had about 8 inches so far today. They're big. Let's see if I can do this. There goes my foot. They're big wet flakes, and that's why it's accumulating so fast. So I'm staying indoors today. They closed the library, so I can't even go downtown. And I have power, and I'm making banana bread, so that's my story. I'm having a good time, although starting to talk to myself after being housebound like this.